Okay, so now our distance meter really needs a different font, and it needs to be in the lower right corner. So we can add a material to a font. Like I can go and create material. So right click, create material, and make it green or something. Then I can apply it to that, and then it turns green. Though it's not showing up. But anyways, for a bunch of free fonts, I go to 1001freefonts.com, and then I like the LCD Digital Dream. That's the one I used. So just for Mac or Windows, save, open the zipped file, and just get the regular one, and then put it in the Unity project. Oop. And just save it as whatever. I'm gonna put it in the what you need. It's gonna be called Digital Dream. Then you can right click, import new asset, Digital Dream. Then just put in the prefabs. And then game object, create other, what is it? Assets, create material. Yeah. Then I think it was GUI text shader. There we go. So turn your material into a text shader, and then make the text color green or something. And I think you can just make the texture none. Bring down Digital Dream, drag and drop the font texture on there, and there we go. Now once you have that material set up, you can just name it LCD font, and then in the distance meter drag and drop the LCD font material on there, and then the Digital Dream font right there. There we go. So if you didn't catch that, it's create a new material. You do GUI text shader, Then bring down Digital Dream, drag it up the font texture right there, change the color to whatever you want, and then in Distance Meter, drag the material right there, and then drag the font right there. And the last thing to do is put it where we want it. Alright, so 169, 255. There we go. And one last thing we need to do is make it so distance meter is off at first. So distance meter is off, quick tab, alright. So there's our binoculars. I'm gonna put a FPS walker on my camera so I can walk around. Oh, I didn't put it on my camera. Make camera FPS walker. Okay. Okay. So if I get close to the box, the distance changes with it. But if you zoom in, the distance doesn't change, which is a good thing, I think. Moving left and right, the arrows light up and down, do the same. We got our font the way we want it. If it's not looking at anything important, it just goes out of range. And one more thing you can do is in the ray distance, you can put a limit to how far the binoculars can do the distance. So let's just try 10. So right now it's out of range, but if we get close enough, see how it started near 10? So say you build some binoculars and they can only see like 1,000 meters away. Well, they can see as far as they want, but the distance doesn't work as far as 1,000 meters. So we could like create a plane. Let's make it 90 degrees. Make it way big. And we'll try to get it really, really far away. Now Unity has a automatic draw distance set up, but the ray should be able to find it. No, looks like it's still too far away. So we'll go closer. Doesn't see it. Oh, there's 1,000 right there, huh? Well, almost 1,000. So it looks like 1,000 is Unity's cutoff distance. I'm almost to 1,000. Out of range. So that's what you can do for different things with your binoculars. And, thanks for watching.